Get us the pigeons, Liam. Woo. Today, on the Took and Liam show.
Oh, now it's a show.
Yeah, it's the show.
Oh, yes.
Is it on cable?
Nah,
Well,
not yet. It will be one day. We're gonna replace the camber arms, put new ones in that are better, put coilovers in the front of the car, which we've got. During the week, Liam replaced, what are these ones? Caster arms. He put front caster arms in, courtesy of Michael. Gave them to us. What do you got here, Liam?
Camber.
Ooh, nice. And what are you doing? Eyeball adjustment? Eyeball alignment?
That's correct.
Amazing.
It's called Wing It and Hope for the Best.
Yes.
Don't crash into a car.
Well, Matthew will be driving very slow with his car. This car's going to drive like a fucking crab.
You like what my 180 did?
That'll be alright. We'll take it down and get it aligned. Down to Jack's at Aspley. They are the best for all of our wheel needs. What's going on in here, Liam?
Hey, I'm doing carpentry.
Ah.
What kind of carpentry you doing down here, mate?
I do carpentry for job.
All we do is we get the hammer and we hit it hard. It makes it work.
Michael told me I must put bolt to back, not to back. No, not to front.
You put the bolt in from the front side to prevent things getting stuck in this thread.
What are you doing, Liam?
Enjoy my dad's stuff.
Yes. It's like me when it comes to your stuff.
That's right.
What do you got here? Bit of dirty bird.
Mechanics aren't greasy all the time.
If it's not engine grease, it's chicken grease.
Make it looking good. Extra flavour.
What brand are these coilovers, Liam?
eBay.
eBay spec.
So, do you want to know something really
Mint.
funny?
We got the rear coils loosely sitting in there. Picus lock. Camber arms. Toe arms. Pretty good. Tightening up all these things.
So many loose things, man.
So many loose things. Got to tighten them all up so it doesn't fall out as we're driving down the road.
All I need to do.
To jacks to get the alignment done.
You think about how many things have changed in this car in one sit.
Yeah, a lot.
You've got power steering that'll work.
Yeah.
Actually, it's more effective and doesn't piss out everywhere.
You've got all fresh lines, completely clean. You've got no pikers. You've got brand new bushings in that, so you're going to have perfect toe. You've got camber arms, so I'll have more traction.
Camber arms to reduce the amount of negative
Front coilovers.
you get from lowering the car on its guards.
Yeah.
Front coilovers as well.
Front coilovers, front tyres, nearly fresh rear tyres.
It's going to be a brand new car.
Yes!
They
Oi!
are not skids. Those things are too expensive to skid. Now this feels like exactly like it is.
Rear struts all in and tight. All the rear's all done. No, that's alright. No, that's good. We're about to do the front struts. Yes.
I've gotten so wanky that I even painted these black so that when they're on here
You can't see them.
and they match better. That's how wanky I am. And if you come in from the top, you can have the camera on top and you'll see it. You know what
I won't even need to put music to it, Michael. And just have you singing the Mission Impossible theme.
Exactly, and it's not copyright infringement because I'm doing it.
Yeah, exactly.
I should stop drinking me some of this Mountain Dew. Gotta turn it to Fleas McFarlane. McFarlane too. Look at my Corvette. He goes for the fight.
Leroy, let's go.
Leroy!
Hell yeah, brother. New coils in the car. What's going on over here, Liam?
I'm peeing under Dad's clothes. Because I didn't want anyone seeing me. Here I am on camera.
Got all the intercooler piping back on and all the air box back in and the sensors hooked up. Gonna fill the power steering box with ATF and hook the battery up and give her a go. And then bleed the power steering, chuck the wheels on and
Do a cowboy alignment.
do a cowboy alignment.
And skid it. Do a grass skid in Dad's yard. Backyard.
Yeah. Doing an eyeball alignment here.
How's it looking, boss?
You want more?
More? Fucking Christ, that's
That'll be enough to get it to the shop.
It's probably pretty close to what it used to be, but we're going for 0. So.
yeah, we're trying to aim for a dead straight, like.
Yeah, but it'll be dead straight tomorrow, or whenever I take it to the shop on Tuesday.
But as well, they'll love you even more if you make their job fucking as easy as possible.
That's what these things do.
What day am I booking in for you?
How's that looking?
Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah, you're pretty close. I reckon you could go a couple more turns. You just don't give me a thing, just go, this is the day, so I can tell you.
Tuesday.
Okay, done. Stop there, Michael.
Sweet. You're now off Wood.
Oh, that almost went into me.
Holy fuck. Look out the door. You skidded the wood under the car. So before you keep doing that, just check the other side. Okay, so the other side no longer exists. You have one plank of wood under the car. You just go very slowly, please.
Get it a roll. Oh, whatever, that'll work.
I don't want to skip like that shit. But I'll steal all these fucking wood. You're gonna want to go forward and then walk over it. Yep.
No worries.
I thought the other piece of wood was out of it. It was, but you broke it.
There we go. That's one Skyline with new suspension parts and steering stuff fixed.
Go right.
Skyline.
Go right.
Wait, what do you want me to say? Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and please keep watching for more content.